Special greetings, my dear students. Already in previous class, I given few introduction. What is a Photoshop? Okay, in few previous class, I given introduction. My dear student, just to think. Now here is a man. I just typed man. So here is a I selected one person. So here he is. Now with help of Photoshop, we can able to remove his hair. His hair is we can able to remove. Not only his hair, now we can able to make a person standing in front of the Eiffel Tower, or we can able to make a stand. He is standing on a water, or else we can able to make him he is sitting on Eiffel Tower. Okay, this all things we can able to make. Not only this, if any person, any celebrity is there. So here is a celebrity. Okay, here is a celebrity. He is standing here. We can able to make that the particular person is standing beside the celebrity, like a friends. Okay, beside the celebrity. My dear students, with the help of Photoshop, we can able to edit a image more than what you are expecting. Example, if any person is having a pimple or black color mark on his face. Okay, now kindly see here. Just I'm typing a pimple. Okay, so here you can able to see the pimples. See this type of mark. Not only this, this type of mark also, with help of Photoshop we can able to make as a plain skin. Okay, or if any black color mark will be on your face, we can able to remove. Okay, means this all things we can able to make. Now I'm typing African. Okay, means Africa men. If you are seeing some persons, they will be black. See here, he is a black. Okay, this type of black color person also we can able to make him a white color. Okay, he is a black color. We can able to make a white color, and he is not having a hair on his head. Correct. So with help of Photoshop we can able to make this. Okay, especially marriage banners and invitation front page, this all things we can able to make by a Photoshop. Okay, now kindly see here. Mostly marriage album they are using Photoshop. Okay, here they given simple example and we seen the features. Photoshop is very user friendly. My dear, you should understand one thing very clearly. Adobe Photoshop CC, it is the latest version. Even in computer i3 computer, especially in laptop, this will not work. Okay, minimum configuration in laptop it must be i5. If you are having a computer with a CPU, that time it can able to work. So today for your practical purpose I am going to use only Photoshop 7. Okay, in our last class I explained about how to start Photoshop and components. Okay, this all panels we already seen. Okay, see here kindly menu bar. What is a menu bar? I'm going to open Photoshop. See, I have this Adobe Photoshop 2019, but it is not supporting to a computer. Okay, if it is a i3 also, it is not supporting. We need a highly configured system. So I'm opening Photoshop 7. Okay, so very simple. This is a menu bar. Okay, and this is a context menu. This is a context menu, toolbar, and this arrow is a dock. Okay, if I click dock, it will go inside. So pattern means it is a basic things. Okay, simple you have to learn. And if you know, my dear students, if you see the tools, okay, in a toolbar, here is a tool. I am going to zoom with magnifier. um, okay, now I zoomed tool. Now if you see what all the tools are available here, okay, what all the tools are available here, Those who are knowing painting, students, if you know the painting, Photoshop is very easier. Only few tools will be differ. Okay, only few tools will be differ. In this place, this is a marquee laser tool. These two tools only you are going to learn in this chapter. Quick selection and few tools are there. Only 4 or 5 tools are new. The tools will go one by one while studying a chapter. Okay, now kindly see your book. Means only few tools will be new for you. Now we can go directly to the concept. Okay, see kindly what are the tools. While doing a practical, I will tell each tool why it is using. Okay, and maximum tools are available in a painting. Now kindly see inserting image. How we will insert image? We have to select a file option. Okay, we have to select a file option. In a menu bar we have to select file option. After selecting file option, place embedded option will appear. When we are selecting place embedded, see here, place embedded, when you are selecting place embedded, you will get the options. Okay, you will get the options like what type of image you are going to insert. It can be a web. Kindly wait, I will show. Means when you are inserting place embedded, we can able to insert the image. Okay, what is the option? File and place embedded. This is the few things. After that, when we are going to save a file, simple. First of all, I am going to create a file. In menu bar, file, new, shortcut is Ctrl plus N. Click it. When I am clicking, okay, when I am clicking, so one window is opening. Okay, one window is opening. Kindly see that we are going to give the file name. So I am going to give ROUGH, rough, and present size custom, or it is showing some default sizes. If you want to modify the width, okay, width means what? The okay, horizontal length, height means the vertical length. So default sizes I given. Now press OK. Now what will happen? File is inserted. If you want to make it big, when you are moving your mouse cursor to the bottom, or see, we are increasing, but the pages will be same as it is. This white color page is called workspace, because in this place only we are going to do the work. Okay, if you want to insert image file, just click the place. When you are clicking the place, so dialog box will come, we can select the image. This is the first thing. Now I am going to tell you a few things. Kindly see your book. Save a file. Now file I inserted, new file I created. Now saving file, save. Okay, or save, control plus S. Why here it does not appear? Because we didn't do modification. We didn't do any modification. Understand? We didn't do modification. If you want to save, control plus S. Save as. We can able to save. Now I saved. You can able to see here ROUGH p.psd. PSD means what? Photoshop extension. Okay. So inserting image, saving, closing a file. Simple thing. File, exit, closed. Okay. If you want to open, start Adobe Photoshop 7. Okay. If you want to open a file, what is the shortcut? Control plus O. Shortcut is control plus O. I am going to use a shortcut. I selected, so ROUI, this is a document we created, so it came. Okay. Now kindly see as selection tools. Okay. Students, this selection tools, it is very important. Okay. Opening file, open recent, that all things keep aside. Now selection tool. My dear students, selection tool is used to select the object. Okay, now kindly see here, I am going to open one image. uh, so this is the image I opened now. Okay, this is the image I open now. Selection tool is used to select a object. In your book, if you see, there are marquee tool. Okay, selection tool only two types. One is a marquee tool and another one is a lasso tool. Again I am saying, one is a marquee tool and another one is a lasso tool. Sir, this both are why it is using? My dear students, both are used to select a object. Okay, if you are selecting a marquee tool is used to select a regular shapes. Okay, marquee tool is used to select a regular shapes, and lasso tool is used to select irregular shapes. That is the main thing you should know. Now kindly see here, marquee tool. If you are going to the marquee tool, there are four types. Kindly see here, rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool. Elliptical means a circular marquee tool, single row marquee tool, single column marquee tool. These are the tools used to select a particular area in a picture or any object. Be clear in this. Marquee tool means a regular shape, lasso tool means a irregular shapes. Okay, now kindly see here, I'm going to use a marquee tool. So in your Photoshop, here, okay, so this circle is a first one. This circle is a marquee tool, and this one is a selection tool. Okay, and this is a lasso tool, quick selection, crop, pen. So this all are six tools are here. First six tools we can able to see. Okay, now I am going to select a marquee tool. Okay, now see here, I just click the marquee tool, right click. Now it is coming what? Just right click. You can able to see rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row, single column. So I am going to select rectangular, just one click. Now rectangle shape came, means we selected rectangle. Now kindly see here, in a penguin, here I am having picture now. So I am just selecting this. I selected. Now what happens? I am going to the move tool. Okay, just click. Now kindly share, just I'm clicking and I'm moving. See, the selected object is moving. If you want to copy, just right click or else Control plus C. I just made Control plus C and I am Control plus V. See, the selected object came here. Selected object came here. If you want to use, I am pressing Control Z. Okay, now see here, I am going to select a circular, elliptical. See, elliptical, circular, both are same. So I am going to select I selected elliptical. Now see here kindly. Now just I selected. Now Control plus C shortcut. Okay, Control plus C. If you want to copy or if you want to delete, press delete key. If you press delete key, it will be deleted. Control plus V. Okay, with the help of move tool, I am moving the selected object. Okay, so I think students, today this is enough. Okay, tomorrow we can see deeply about lasso tool and marquee tool. Thank you, my dear students.